Hey ladies! Are you feeling a bit different lately? You know that wave of heat that suddenly hits you out of nowhere, making you feel like you're in a sauna? Those emotions that skyrocket out of nowhere and make you wonder who that was? Don't worry, you're not alone. Many women around the world are experiencing the same thing. Over 1.3 million women in the US enter menopause each year, experiencing similar symptoms like hot flashes, night sweats, and mood swings. Today, we're diving into the 8 must-know symptoms of menopause and how to tackle them head-on. From managing hot flashes to dealing with sleep disturbances, we've got you covered. Join us on this video to learn about the impact and effects of menopause and all the things we can do to minimize the symptoms and improve our life and optimal health. Stay tuned to the end so you don't miss a thing. If you like learning about topics like this and others, then don't forget to like us, subscribe to our channel, and smash that notification bell so you can be alerted the next time we drop a great video for your optimal health. Lastly, if you feel you might like some personalized guidance or accountability, check out the link above or in the description for professional virtual health coaching. Let's go. Let's talk about symptom number 1, hot flashes. 1 minute you're fine, feeling comfortable and going about your day, and the next, you're on fire from the inside out. It's like an internal furnace has been switched on. Keeping your environment cool by using fans or air conditioning, dressing in layers that you can easily remove, and avoiding triggers like spicy foods, caffeine, and alcohol can help manage these sudden temperature spikes. These triggers can exacerbate the intensity of hot flashes, making them more frequent and severe. Managing stress through meditation, yoga, or nature walks can also be beneficial. These activities help calm the mind and body, reducing the overall stress that can contribute to hot flashes. If lifestyle changes aren't enough to bring relief, don't hesitate to seek medical advice. Medical treatments like hormone therapy can significantly reduce the frequency and severity of hot flashes. Your doctor can help you explore various options and find the best treatment plan tailored to your needs. Remember, you deserve to feel comfortable in your own skin. Taking proactive steps can make a big difference in managing hot flashes and improving your quality of life. Let's move on to the next symptom, number 2. Night sweats can disrupt your sleep and leave you feeling exhausted and frustrated. They can make it difficult to get the rest you need, affecting your overall well-being and daily performance. Keeping your bedroom cool, sleeping in breathable clothing, and avoiding alcohol and caffeine before bed can help. These simple changes can create a more comfortable sleep environment, making it easier to fall and stay asleep. Invest in moisture-wicking sheets and sleepwear. These materials are designed to keep you dry and comfortable throughout the night, reducing the chances of waking up drenched in sweat. If you wake up in a sweat, change into dry clothes and do something relaxing until you feel sleepy again. Activities like reading a book or practicing gentle yoga can help calm your mind and body, making it easier to drift back to sleep. Quality sleep is essential for your health, so talk to your doctor if you're struggling. They can provide guidance and potential treatments to help you manage night sweats and improve your sleep quality. Let's tackle the next symptom, number 3. Remember, taking small steps can lead to significant improvements in your sleep and overall health. Menopause often throws our cycles for a loop. Irregular periods are a normal part of the transition. Track your cycle and pay attention to significant changes. Consult your healthcare provider if you experience unusual bleeding. Understanding these changes helps us navigate this transition with confidence. Menopause can feel like an emotional roller coaster. Symptom number 4, hormonal fluctuations, can really affect our moods. Prioritize your mental and emotional well-being by managing stress. Find what works for you, whether it's exercise, meditation, or self-care. Reach out for support from friends, family, or a therapist. Remember, you're not alone in this journey. Let's move on to symptom number 5. Menopause often brings sleep disturbances. Hot flashes and racing thoughts can keep us up at night. Create a sleep sanctuary, cool, dark, and quiet. Develop a relaxing bedtime routine like a warm bath or a book, essential oils, or calming music. Avoid screens an hour before bed. Quality sleep is crucial for our health, so make it a priority. Number 6. Vaginal dryness is a common but bothersome symptom of menopause. Over-the-counter lubricants and moisturizers can help alleviate dryness. Communication with your partner and healthcare provider is key. There are many effective remedies available, so don't suffer in silence. Menopause can have an effect on symptom number 7, our sex drive, but it doesn't have to end our sex lives. Communication with your partner is crucial. Explore other ways to connect, like cuddling or massage. Talk to your doctor if you're struggling with low libido. They can help rule out underlying conditions and discuss treatment options. Let's move on to the final symptom. Menopause can make it harder to maintain a healthy weight. Focus on a balanced diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate-intensity exercise most days. Find activities you enjoy, like dancing, swimming, or hiking. It's about making healthy choices that make you feel your best. Let's wrap this up. Thanks for joining me on this journey through the 8 must-know symptoms of menopause. Menopause is a natural phase of life, not a disease. With the right knowledge and tools, you can navigate it with confidence. Stay empowered and healthy, ladies. You've got this. If you feel you might want some professional, personalized guidance for your health journey, check out the link in the description for private virtual health and wellness coaching and other resources, because we are all on this optimal health journey together. Please go to the comments section and share with the community what resonated with you, what tips have helped you, or other topics you would like to see discussed in future videos. Don't forget to like this, subscribe to our channel, and check out other videos on this or anything else you find helpful in our channel. Thank you, and see you in the next video.